南大學2023年度榮譽博士頒授典禮暨校長就職典禮現在開始，請各位起立。
I now declare the ceremony opened. We are pleased to be assembled here today for the installation of Professor Zhou Qin as President of Lingnan University.
Student education is at the very core of our mission. We will expand initiatives and activities to enrich our student experience and foster our community engagement. I pledge to do my best to lead this university with courage, compassion, and humility. We will inspire, empower, and serve you, our students and colleagues, as we strive to make Lingnan University a world-class liberal arts research institution in the digital era.